Howard Robbins will tell you what he saw in this room about 3 years ago.
I already did. With
Mark? Oh, you did tell him?
Yeah, that was
Okay.
all the way up. And then
And I saw it on the video.
He had a frozen shoulder, which was released right here on the spot.
That's such a hard to treat condition. So, great.
I would say 40% of the time we release it in 1 or 2 sessions. I'm not 100% on that. If there's a lot of adhesions in there and there's scarring, they might need a surgical release. I'm not against that. All right.
Whoa.
You felt the joint capsule pop.
Yeah,
That's what I thought it was too.
something, you know, yeah, I felt it in my head before.
I'm aspirating and now I'm pushing. Look how easy it goes in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in this joint. I'm happy, real happy. And we'll take that off. And this should go in really nice and easy.
Like, I can feel it filling the space.
You can feel it, huh?
Yeah, I can feel it filling the space.
Now, I can feel it bubbling underneath my hand.
Mm.
So I know that this is there and I'm really happy with this injection right now.
Let me look at it. Let me see. Oh, that's a huge difference.
Nice.
I'm happy with the
This side?
injection too, because I didn't feel it.
How did I?
Would you video him
That's
send
much.
that? Would you?
Remember, I can only go this
I
far?
don't
Yeah,
have a
you were
picture of, I have
limited.
it on my home computer with Mark's
I
arm going
think
up.
you can
Here's
now.
us at the Cleveland Clinic,
Yeah.
but I don't have the picture of us
So are
with
you-
Mark
are you
and his
running?
arm going
Still
up,
running.
and I don't know
Running, okay.
why.
Now you could not get up there.
You couldn't do
before.
that before, remember?
No, this,
Can you
like,
bring
see,
it
like this
up
thing,
there?
that goes
That's
there.
about as far as he could get
Yes.
on
that-
both
So
sides.
if I do this one now,
100.
see, this one is going way over.
Oh my gosh, let me get the view of that. So
This,
That's crazy.
this, so this one goes.
that's wonderful. Sorry.
All right, now take that off and put this in, and we're gonna see what his other arm can do right afterwards.
Yep, going easy.
Oh yeah, that's great.
You can feel it now.
Mm-hmm.
Feel it on the joint.
Good.
Can you feel on my skin on the other side? Or no?
I felt it bubbling
Yeah.
underneath on the,
Yeah.
yeah, okay, good. Now pull it all out. Now what I want you to do, I'll take that. Move his arm up and down. Get it moving. Okay, now bring his arm up over his head.
Oh, that's
Oh
a big
my
difference.
gosh.
That's a big difference.
Okay,
Now you do
That's
it
a
under
huge
your
difference.
own power. Go ahead.
Like,
Nice.
he is.
Wow.
I can do
Yeah.
that now.
No,
Wow.
it's
That
beautiful.
doesn't hurt.
Much better
Well,
compared
that
to
was like
last
this, right? Something.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were.
I need a photo. Both of those things were off.
All right, I'm really